Hey there! Are you looking to delete your health data from your iPhone? If you have accidentally entered the wrong information while manually adding health details, don't worry, it's super easy to delete that record. In this guide, I'm going to walk you through the process of deleting health data on your iPhone. So, let's jump right in. First, open the Health app on your iPhone. Next, tap on Browse at the bottom of the screen. Then, select a category like Activity. After that, choose a subcategory such as Steps. Now, scroll down a bit. You'll want to find Options, then tap on Show All Data. Next, hit Edit in the top right-hand corner. Finally, tap the Delete button next to the record you wish to remove. If you want to delete everything, you can also tap Delete All. If you have followed all the steps as outlined, your health data on your iPhone should now be gone. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching and take care.